So the rods come out first, then you unzip the end, and again when you're packing it back up, put the arms in first, then zip it up again, then your rods will just go back in the sleeve again and everything zips back up. As you're pulling the 3 stands out of the bag, start with the middle one, pull it out, make sure it doesn't catch on the inner sleeve because the handles and bolts could rip it. So it's middle one come out first, then the outer 2, and when you're repacking it, same thing, start with the outer ones, then put the middle one in. If you've compacted the stand down enough and then also screwed the wing nut back, the whole case closes flush. Just thought we'd do a quick video to show you how you put together the full length of this backdrop system. Lay out each of the tripods, roughly how far apart you think they need to do. Start with N1 and attach enough pieces to go to where it says D. Each one just simply twists into each other. And once you've attached all the poles, mounted at one end, just tighten the wing nut up, finger tight. Mount at the other end, again, finger tight. And then repeat the process with the last section to the end. Each of the points we've labelled A and A, B and B, C and C, so on and so forth. So you can see which order they go in. In theory they can go in any order, but we've found that they do seem to be a little bit temperamental and some lock better than others. What you do need to do when you've put them together, give them a bit of a pull to make sure that they have locked and that it doesn't suddenly drop down on you. When you're putting on your paper roll, undo one end, lift it off. It's probably better with 2 people, but you can just about wrestle it with 1. Slide on your roll, put your wing nut back on to make sure it can't drop off, and once you've got your paper in place, these unscrew, and then you simply lift the pole up to the height you want it, screw them back in place. And then this is the full setup with 2 paper rolls on it before we lifted it to full height.